Welcome to the channel NEET Physics Tamil 11th Physics Mechanical Properties of Fluids. Question number 10.17. A U-shaped wire is dipped in a soap solution and removed. The thin soap film formed between the wire and the light slider supports a weight of 1.5 into 10 power minus 2 Newton equal to 1.5 grams in mass. This is just a groundnut weight, which includes the small weight of the slider. Beyond this weight, the slider will fall out of the soap film. So this is the U-shaped wire along with the slider dipped in soap solution and taken out. Then this soap film supports the slider with additional weight equal to 1.5 into 10 power minus 2 Newton, including the weight of the small slider. The slider oda weight very small. In addition to that, there is a small weight added to this slider. Putting together, it becomes 1.5 into 10 power minus 2 Newton. Up to this weight, the soap film supports the slider plus weight. Slider's length is 30 cm, 1 feet. What is the surface tension of the film? So, to see a realistic picture, the slider is 1 feet long. Soap film is therefore like this, U-shaped soap film. Below the slider, there is a small mass. This mass plus slider's mass together contributes a weight of 1.5 into 10 power minus 2 Newton. Now, what is the surface tension of this soap film? The film holds the slider with weight equal to 1.5 into 10 power minus 2 Newton, including the slider's weight. Hence, surface tension is force or weight supported by the film divided by 2 into length of the slider, or 2 times length of the slider soap film interface, equal to 1.5 into 10 power minus 2 Newton by 2 into 30 centimeter. So this is simply F by 2L formula. Surface tension equal to F by 2L. Here length is in centimeter. Therefore, this expression is equal to 1.5 into 10 power minus 2 Newton. This is in SI unit divided by 60 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Again, this also now in SI units. Calculating, we get 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 Newton per meter. This is the answer. So, surface tension of the soap film holding the slider is 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 Newton per meter. Exercise question number 10.18. Figure 10.24a shows a thin liquid film supporting a small weight equal to 4.5 into 10 power minus 2 Newton. This weight. What is the weight supported by a film of the same liquid at the same temperature in figure B and C? In all these different shaped but same liquid used, the bottom part length of the film is same in all cases 40 centimeter. In this case, weight supported by the film is 4.5 into 10 power minus 2 Newton. What will be the weight supported by the films in B and C? This picture is taken from NCERT 11th Physics textbook. Whatever answer obtained, it is required to explain physically. This is enlarged view of the picture. So, in each case, the weight is supported by a 40 centimeter long liquid film. Here also same length liquid film. Same length liquid film is supporting a weight here also. The liquid is same in all the figures. The length of the liquid film is also same in all figures. Also, all the liquids are in the same temperature. Hence, the maximum weight supported by them will be same. that is 4.5 into 10 power minus 2 Newton. This is the weight supported by A. B and C also will support the same weight. Question number 10.19. What is the pressure inside the drop of mercury of radius 3 mm at room temperature? 3 mm radius is very small. So the drop is very small drop. 3 mm drop of mercury will be about a pepper size. Surface tension of mercury at that temperature 20 degrees Celsius is 4.65 into 10 power minus 1 Newton. The atmospheric pressure is 1.01 into 10 power 5 Pascal. In addition to pressure inside the drop of mercury, it is required to give the excess pressure inside the drop. First we have to calculate absolute pressure or total pressure inside the drop of mercury. Also we need to calculate the excess pressure inside the drop. Total or absolute pressure inside the drop of mercury is 2S by R plus P atmosphere equal to 2 into surface tension. S is surface tension 4.65 into 10 power minus 1 divided by radius is 3 mm plus P atmosphere is 1.01 into 10 power 5 Pascal. This becomes equal to 2 into 4.65 into 10 power minus 1 divided by 3 into 10 power minus 3 meter plus 1.01 into 10 power 5. This is 310 Pascal plus 1.01 into 10 power 5 equal to 1.0131 into 10 power 5 Pascal. Excess pressure inside the drop is equal to 2S by R equal to this value 310 Pascal. Exercise question 10.20. What is the excess pressure inside a bubble of soap solution of radius 5 mm given that the surface tension of soap solution at the temperature 20 degrees Celsius is 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 Newton per meter. By blowing out soap solution, a bubble of that soap solution is formed in air. Soap solution is blown out to form bubbles. What is the excess pressure inside the bubble of soap solution? If an air bubble of the same dimension were formed at a depth of 40 centimeter, that is 0.4 meter, inside a container containing the soap solution which is of relative density 1.20, what would be the pressure inside the bubble? 1 atmospheric pressure is 1.01 into 10 power 5 Pascal. Now, inside soap solution at a depth of 40 centimeter from the surface, air is blown to form an air bubble. So, what will be the pressure inside the bubble? Soap solution's relative density is given 1.20. Therefore, its density is 1.20 into 10 power 3 kg per meter cube. This soap solution is blown in air. So, outside the soap bubble air, inside soap bubble also air. Bubble of soap solution is in air, inside also air. Hence, it has two liquid air interface. Hence, excess pressure equal to 4S by R, not 2S by R. Using this 4S by R, 4 into 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 5 mm. Mm is converted into meter. Calculating this, we get 20 Pascal. This is the excess pressure inside this bubble of soap solution. Now, inside a container of soap solution, air is blown to make an air bubble. Here, only one liquid air interface. So, this is air bubble and only one interface with the soap solution. Hence, excess pressure inside the air bubble is 2S by R. Earlier case, same S value, R value used. But there 4S by R, here 2S by R. Therefore, this is equal to 10 Pascal. Previous case 20 Pascal. If the bubble is at a depth of 0.4 meter, that is 40 centimeter, then total pressure inside the bubble is equal to excess pressure plus pressure due to the liquid column rho GH plus atmospheric pressure. 2S by R is 10 Pascal plus rho is 1.2 into 10 power 3 kg per meter cubed into G is 9.8 meter per second square. H is 0.4 meter plus P atmosphere is 1.01 into 10 power 5 Pascal. Calculating all this, we get 1.06 into 10 power 5 Pascal. This is the total pressure inside the air bubble formed inside a soap solution. Thank you. All the best.